I 3D printed all these characters the other day, a few weeks ago. I no longer use them. I checked my eBay store and I have them available along with some faces. Some characters never exist, never 3D printed or not available anywhere. So little details need to be sanded or knocked down a little bit of details. These are the only ones I have so far. This need to be sanded a little bit, very little, light sanding. I don't know if you remember the characters. There are 20 pieces. 20 pieces. I don't know if I'm gonna print more. I'll let you know. But there's one tiny detail. See these chipped tiny pieces from the hat. It's extremely thin. Another character. This is supposed to have a bag, I think. Let me show you something. Trying to bounce it. It's not a very tall drop, but I'm doing a quick test. That doesn't mean that you're gonna bounce it and then will not break. Obviously it will break. It does have a kind of a light elongation, light. That doesn't mean you need to abuse it, but it's for decoration purposes or scenery. These are the only figurines I have. I made it for content only. If you want to have these characters, these are meant for a size for, I mean, the size is scaled down to, you know, represent or fit for TrackMaster. That was meant for TrackMaster. Okay, so I don't know if you remember all the characters. Now on this I added some, what is the other one? I lost it. What do you call these, assistants? So I added 2 because the Topham hat always has 2 by his side, with the arms in the back that you can see, and I made other 2 with relaxed arms, as you can see here. There, I've seen some of these figurines. I mean, very expensive on eBay, but I did this only for content. But if interested, check my eBay store. I might post a lot of faces. I no longer use the faces. I made some batches for content, but never get them used to. This one has a broken ponytail. That's the way it is. And this little boy, I don't remember the name of this little boy, and the bike, 3D printed bike. I mean, there's no need to sand those little tiny support marks if not needed. Obviously none of these, or some of these, stand alone, others definitely don't, but it's meant to be glued on scenery or some. Now there are 2 more that I will include. This is not part of the listing, but I don't use them, and the problem is the bag is missing the straps, and this hat right here is chipped all the way around. It is not the same character as the first one. Where is it? I already lost it. Oh, right here. Is it the same character? No, it's not the same character. This is a farmer, and this is supposed to be one of those ice cream worker or something. So these are extra, but that's the lot we have